Okay, thank you very much, guys. This is Pro Graphics once again, and today I'm coming to take you through a review. At the time that I was recording this particular tutorial, I had a lot of distractions, so I thought I was recording, but at the end of the day, I realized that the concluding aspect of it was not recorded. So I have to come and review this particular image. So this image, it was not shot by me. It's shot by another photographer, and I'm one who is editing it, getting the opportunity to edit it. So this is what we are going to do. This is the original image. I cropped it, and I'll take you through step by step of how I achieved this. Okay, of how I was able to achieve this. It's so unfortunate that it happened. I didn't expect that. Okay, so I will take you through all the process. So guys, don't worry. We are going to work it out. So as you know, we always start with uh, let me start from of all this one so that I'll explain it step by step and you get it well. Okay, so it's folder, so it's good. I explain it step by step so that you get the whole concept. Okay, so let me off everything, then I explain it folder by folder. Yeah, so this is the actual image as you can see over here. So when I started, as you always know, Control J, I duplicate this image, then I went to camera raw, I shifted the highlights down, and I also pushed the whites down, and I lifted up a little bit of the shadows. So from there I realized that this part of the image is having a lot of shadows, so I have to select that using the lasso tool. Let me show you the lasso tool for beginners. Using the lasso tool, I select the portion using the lasso tool, then I went to the adjustment layers, then I selected brightness, and it created layer marks. So from the layer marks I went to filter, then I came to blur, then I went to Gaussian blur to blur it. So from there I created a stamping layer by creating Alt Control Shift E. Then I also realized that this part of the nose, okay, this side is also having shadows, so I did the same process with that. So after I finished with those corrections, yes, so let me come down. Let me come down. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm done with this side. Yeah, so after I got finished with those portion, what I did was I created a stamping layer as you can see over here. Then I started with my frequency separation. So the frequency separation, I use both the laser tool and the mixer brush. So if you haven't watched my video on how to use the frequency separation, you can go and watch my video over there. So this is how I was able to do it. So the black and white will give you the differences between the highlights and the shadows. So from here, from the frequency separation, I created another stamping layer, so you can see, and I worked on the edges of the shadows that we worked on by using the spot healing brushes to make it uniform, and the patch tool. So if you want the patch tool, the spot healing brush, here's it, and this is the patch tool. Also from there I moved straight to another duplication, so I duplicated the layer and I created a new layer over here. Okay, I clicked on this one, I created a new layer for the removal of the spot. So let me zoom in so that you see. So before, after, so you can see I've removed a little bit of spots from the face. So when you choose the new layer, before you can remove from this, you have to make sure that, for instance, I've chosen spot healing brush. You click sample all layer so that it can take the spot from the beneath. So from there I created a stamping layer, So from the stamping layer, I went straight and I made a duplication. Also went to camera raw, reduce the highlight and reduce the shadows, push the shadows and reduce the white. So from there, I wanted to control my background. Let me bring it down so that my subject will pop. So I went to select, then I selected my subjects. Okay, so after I selected my subject, then I came to the layer, adjustment layer, then I selected brightness, then I reduced the brightness of the background so you can see. So from there, I went to selective colors over here, then I chose selective colors. I didn't do any shifting. Then I came and changed the blending option over here to screen, okay, just to make it bright. Then I reduced the opacity and the feel. So from there, I also came to hue and saturation. The hue and saturation, I made it for the hair, the headgear. So when you look at the headgear, let me zoom in so that you can see. When you look at the headgear, you can see that the colors is popping in and the colors are popping out. Good. So from there, I create a stamping layer again. Then I used a color lookup. So you can see a color lookup. So here's the color lookup I used. So you can see this is the color lookup. So from there, I created, yes, I used the color lookup. So from the color lookup that I created, I had this. Okay, so after I've gotten this out of my color lookup, then I came to do the eye whitening using this action. So from there, and I use the color selective colors again. So let's look at the selective colors. This adjustment that I did the red, I did so and so. Yes, so that is where I got to. Then from there, I move straight to the black and white, so that the black and white can also make me see how best I can add my glow to my image. So if you haven't watched how to create the glow on my previous video, watch on how I gain my glow. So after I've gained my glow, from there I came to sharpen my image, and that's where we ended the entire video. So this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. So thank you very much, guys. So if today is your first time watching my tutorial, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and always remember, it is Pro Graphics. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye bye.